what you guys are thinking. Phong, what did you do with your hair? Just recently gave myself a quick buzz, just especially during this quarantine. Well, I think actually now barbers are open, but at the moment there weren't any barber shops open, and I just kind of wanted to do a quick reset, so I'm gonna let it grow out again. But it feels nice. I don't really have to do too much, and I feel lightweight. Now currently we are actually driving over to LA, gonna go check out the homie Lewis's shop and actually change out the transmission fluid on the SI and do an oil change. We're due for all that stuff, especially since we've driven about 5,000 miles on the new built trans. So we're changing her out, putting some Torco race fluid in there, and yeah, just a nice little road trip to LA, maybe pick up some food, and we'll see how the day goes. Hey, what's up, bro? Yeah, I made it. It's always a hassle to get out. How's it been, bro? Good, man. All right, so we are at the homie Lewis's shop right here. We got Lewis over there.
Nice to meet you guys, brother.
So if you guys ever need some 10 gen work and you're up in the LA area, hit up this guy. I'll put everything in the description below, and I'll put his tag right here as well. But we're just changing out the transmission fluid, doing an oil change real quick, and that's actually it today. Nothing too crazy. Let the day flow through. We'll get some cinematic shots for you guys and just kind of flow with it. We got the Acuity right here. We're up in Lewis's car right now.
So we got a twin disc in this shit, so if you hear like weird rattles, don't worry about that. Oh,
it's rough. Not gonna lie, I like your setup here though. This is real nice. Yeah. Especially with the spoon shift knob. I think it's clean.
Yeah. I like it. And I got standard Hondata, standard fucking steering motor and standard spoon stuff.
Hey, it's fresh, man. It's fresh.
When we brake like this, like if I wanted to brake, I just like stop. You know, like that's a good thing about having brake kit.
No, the Willwoods are really nice. They stop really nice. Woo!
And we stop, you know? Like,
yeah, no, I like that. Dang. Got more fast boys up in here, huh? I like.
Woohoo! So it's just custom exhaust, like 3-inch stainless with a vibrant resonator, like somewhere right here, and then just boiler muffler with 3-tip.
Yeah, the exhaust tone is actually really nice. Like I love the note.
Yeah,
it's not too loud, but it's like just enough.
People were telling me it doesn't sound like other SIs. Like I was just like, not just the fact that it has like a different.
No, like aside from the different setup, I definitely would say it definitely sounds different for sure.
The thing I don't like the most is that everyone gets that rasp around 4,000 coming down.
But you don't get that.
I don't get that shit at all.
No. I noticed that.
That's the reason why I did the vibrant, because they said that was, I think it's like an organic like mesh inside, so it doesn't like vibrate.
Oh, okay.
And that's what it is apparently. That there's a vibration inside the resonator. That's what gives you that weird rasp coming down. So like right here, that's 4,000 coming down already.
Yeah, no, there's no rasp. How many times I've been behind the camera, bro, and it's like it's different when you're the passenger. You know what I
mean? It's just not that we built this shit to like stop. Like this shit could stop. Like,
yeah, no, I feel you.
Bro, on streets of Willow, we were coming in 112 onto like a fishtail corner, and it was just we went from 112 to like 23, and just coming into a corner. Like, and the brakes were able to do it fine. Oh, it also has a joint slotted front rotor, so
Oh, okay, nice.
they
nice.
go down really fast.